In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to see YouTube Advanced Settings on mobile. Viewing your YouTube Advanced Settings on mobile is important because it allows you to manage critical aspects of your channel even when you're away from a desktop. To do this, simply head to Chrome. It can be any other browser of your own choice. Here, you want to sign in to your YouTube channel. Now on your home page, tap onto these three dots and scroll to select Request Desktop Site. Now once you have the desktop preview, simply tap onto your profile icon and head to view your channel. Here you will then tap on Customize Channel. It will directly take you to your YouTube Advanced Settings on the Customize Channel page. Now you can go through your analytics just like so. This has personally helped me in case I want to look up to something in conditions where I don't have my laptop with me. Well, that's how easy it is to view your YouTube channel Advanced Settings on mobile. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.